slow.
That's wrong, but I'll go down on
The contrary is a bit worse for Rara now.
it. Is he going to make it, though? Is he going to make it?
Yeah, stop him again.
Is he going to make it?
We've just stopped again.
Is he going to make it?
What?
Is he going to make it?
Is he going to make it? Yeah, that's the question. Are we going to
They've still got that way. They can leave that way back up. They've still got it there.
Yeah, they've still got that. Why is he so slow?
What?
That would be extremely funny if we could do that. I would love to do that.
This is going so slow. There's definitely something wrong though.
Yeah, there's definitely something wrong with the track now.
It's never this slow. It's never this slow.
That is a little bit worrying, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, get off. You can get off now.
I want to get you back.
I want to get off here.
It's quicker to move. It's like the trailer for the Legoland, isn't it?
Yeah. Legoland Windsor.
It's like the Legoland monorail.
You're closed now. You're watching it get closed down.
Yeah, I feel like this is going to close, and I feel like we're not going to be able to take it back up somehow.
We'll have to walk.
You're going to have to walk up.
Probably was anyway.
Oh well.